Hello, how's it traders? Welcome to Binary Options Trading Course channel. Let's start today's trading with candlestick psychology. So you can see here the trend is downtrend, and in this candle, okay, let's see what happened here. Okay, I will go with buyers again. Why? Because you can see here these three candles is a buyer's candle, and it is an indicator that buyers are still active in this region, and there is whole number here, and I had seen buyers pressure in this candle. Okay, that's why I'd gone with buyers. So if you need well-known traders courses in so much low price, in 10 times lower price than real price, then contact me. My telegram channel link is description, and my personal telegram link is also in description. So if you need courses in 10 times lower price than real price, then contact me. I will give you well-known traders courses in so much low price. For proof and sample of videos, join my telegram channel. The link is in description. And for buying the course, message me. My telegram link is also in description. Okay, so we win here. Okay, I will. Okay, so because of these three buyers candles, which means rejection from whole number, I had gone with buyers here. I think we have to change the pair. This is not a good market. Okay, here. Okay, rejection from seller side means previous support level now acting as a resistance level, and there is whole number. Okay, sellers are coming. Okay, let's now. Okay, I had gone with sellers. Why? Because you can see here from this whole level the sellers come with full pressure, and previous there is support level here which now acting as a resistance level. That's why I'd gone with sellers from that point. Okay, let's see what happened here. Okay, you can see sellers had entered. After this reversal sign, okay, after this reversal sign I will again go with sellers, because you can see here sellers come, sellers enter. Here it didn't work, but if we place here with margin of safety we will win. Here also work, here also work. Here means we can't consider it as a reversal sign, because after one candle. Okay, let's. Okay, so let's see what happened here. I'd place here down option, because after this candle come which made a new low here, so I think next candle will be seller's candle. So I'm here after this seller's enter. We can't consider it because after one buyer's candle this sellers enter, so we can't consider that sellers will enter that thing. So let's see. I tell you that after two or three green candles, if this red candle come, then we can consider it as a reversal sign. Let's see what happened here. Okay, after this reversal sign this candle made a new low. That's why. Okay, sellers are entering. Okay, you can see we win the trade. Okay, no problem. Okay, let's take one more trade. Okay, here I will change the pair now again. Okay, here. Okay, after After one candle also sellers entered and market. Okay, here the market is kind of not good. Let's change it. Okay, here we can go with sellers because weak buyers candle come in middle of the trend, and after this sellers come which make a new low. Definitely it will make a new low, so let's go with sellers. Okay, nice. So I'd gone with sellers because after this weak buyers candle the sellers come which made a new low here, so I'm thinking the sellers will again come. Let's see what happened here. Let's see. How this candle behave. Okay, you can see sellers want to come. Okay, there is sellers pressure, you can see. Okay, 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 you can see here. Okay, okay, we lost here, no problem. I will again take one trade more. So okay, why I had gone with sellers again? Because I had seen there is so much sellers pressure in this candle. The sellers are entering again and again, so I think that sellers will only enter again. So let's see what happened here. Because there is so much means sellers interference in this candle, I had seen that sellers are coming again and again. That's why I'd gone with sellers. Let's see what happened here. So okay, sellers are coming, you can see sellers had come. Okay, so some people consider this candle as a means inverted hammer and go with buyers, but analyze it that which pressure is more, the sellers are coming more or buyers are coming more, and then only go. But I means personally suggest you to go with the trend only. Okay, so I am closing your trade. So the market is not good, that's why I taken taken low trades. So if you need well-known traders course in so much low price, then contact me. My telegram link is in description. For proof and sample videos you can contact me. My personal telegram link is also in description. Thank you and have a successful trading.